Hi everyone, and in this video I'm going to share a home remedy, a very natural remedy which you can use it for regulating your irregular menstruation issue. This is like, it's just not a Google issue like everybody can I'm just googling it out and telling. We have implemented this for so many of our clients, and it has worked out wonders for many of them. Even for people whose cycle has been 45 days, 60 days, 80 days and all that, this has really brought a lot of changes inside them. So when your periods is very irregular, okay, the perfect is somewhere around 28 to 32 is considered to be it's a perfect menstrual cycle. So when your periods are irregular, it could be of different reasons like low hemoglobin level, stress level, emotional reasons and all that. Of course, there are several solutions for several of these reasons, but one of the things which you could try it in your home is the usage of soaked raisins. Okay, so I'll explain you the procedure of how you should have this. You have to take some 10 to 15 raisins, okay. And now when I tell raisins, the immediate next question is always be like, ma'am, is it golden raisins or is it pure black raisins and all that? Anything is fine. You get the brown one or the black one is okay. So get the raisins and soak it in the water, wash it well, and take some 10 to 15 raisins every day. Take a cup of water. It could be hot water or it could be even the normal water. You just got to take 10 to 15 raisins, soak it in the water, and close the glass of water and keep it. Okay, and on the next day morning, after brushing your teeth, you just got to drink that water and also consume that raisins. So in this way, what you could do is, early morning the habit of having coffee and tea could be avoided, so that you take something some sort of a liquid in the morning. And this is full of hemoglobin, so this is giving, it will actually it'll actually energizes the blood flow inside your body. It will make your skin start glowing. It will actually regulate your periods, and that's the miracle we have seen in many ladies. So this will help you in constipation issues. This will help you in getting good sleep. There is a lot of other benefits too. So people suffering with irregular periods, so you could try this as one remedy. But of course, don't eat it tonight and tell me that, ma'am, I didn't get my periods tomorrow morning. This is a natural therapy. This is a natural tip that it's given. Many of my clients, just by seeing my forward messages, have just followed this and have personally mailed me, called me and said that this one thing has helped them a lot. So in this way, I'm telling, any natural thing will have its own time. Okay, see, when you have to carry a baby for 9 months, okay, it is 9 months. It is like, just because it is 2020, just because 5G is coming and all that, just because all of us are educated and becoming too independent, dynamic and all that, we can't cut it for 3 months and 6 months. Nature is nature, and you can command anything from nature, but for which you just got to obey nature. So just follow this tip. Exactly in that 28 days or in 31 days, you will definitely see the result. Okay, so, and more than this, it's very easy to watch a YouTube video, and it's very easy to share it. The most important thing is to implement it. Okay, this is a very simple thing, but just implement it and post your comments. Share it with a lot of other women, share it with a lot of other friends. Stay inspired, stay super fertile. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next important video. Bye bye.